Hello friends! Today we will learn together about the legendary character Caillou, the ancestor of the Hmong people. Hmong Ancestor Caillou, a figure of myth, legend, and cultural identity. The legend of Caillou, a mythological figure revered as an ancestor by the Hmong people and several other ethnic groups in China, serves as a foundational narrative that shapes the community's understanding of their origins, heritage, and collective identity. The story of Caillou is rich in symbolism and provides insights into the values and cultural perspectives of the societies that hold him in esteem. This article delves into the legend, historical interpretations, and the enduring significance of Caillou in Hmong culture and beyond. The legend of Caillou. Caillou is often depicted as a fierce warrior with the head of a bull and the body of a human, possessing 6 arms and 4 eyes. He is credited with the invention of weapons, armor, and warfare. In some versions of the myth, he is also associated with the creation of written language, specifically the Jiahu symbols, which are among the earliest known form of Chinese writing. In Chinese mythology, Caillou is said to have led his tribe in a war against the Yellow Emperor Huangdi and the Yan Emperor Yandi. Despite his ferocious abilities and warrior prowess, Caillou was ultimately defeated by Huangdi, who had the assistance of a magical, weather-controlling device known as the South-Pointing Chariot. After his defeat, the story of Caillou transitions from legend into historical symbolism, as he became immortalized as an ancestral figure for several ethnic groups. Historical interpretations. The legend of Caillou has been appropriated and reinterpreted over the millennia. In early Chinese texts like Shanhai Jing Classic of Mountains and Seas, Caillou is portrayed as a barbarian adversary of the Central Chinese civilization. However, for the Hmong people and other minority groups, Caillou stands as an emblem of resistance and cultural independence. The historical veracity of Caillou is challenging to establish, as he straddles the line between myth and history. Significance in Hmong culture. For the Hmong, who primarily reside in the mountainous regions of China, Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand, Caillou serves as a symbol of unity and cultural identity. Stories of his leadership, bravery, and ingenuity are passed down through generations. These tales provide a narrative framework for understanding Hmong traditions, from the importance of martial skills to the values of resourcefulness and resilience. Modern-day relevance. Today, the figure of Caillou has been adopted in various contexts, ranging from literature to pop culture. In China, monuments and statues of Caillou can be found, primarily in areas with significant Hmong populations. During cultural festivals and events, the Hmong often commemorate Caillou through songs, dances, and oral storytelling, reinforcing the ancestral ties and collective memory that bind the community together. The Hmong diaspora, particularly in countries like the United States, also look to the legend of Caillou as a means of cultural preservation. Education initiatives aimed at younger generations often incorporate stories of Caillou to instill a sense of pride and belonging, even as they navigate the complexities of dual cultural identity. Conclusion. Caillou is more than just a mythical warrior. He is an integral part of the cultural fabric that defines the Hmong community and other ethnic groups in China. As both a historical figure and a symbol of resistance, innovation, and unity, Caillou remains an important anchor for these societies, connecting past, present, and future in a continuum of shared identity and values. As long as the tales of Caillou continue to be told, he will endure as a timeless figure who shapes the worldview of those who claim him as an ancestor. Above is detailed information about Caillou through extremely useful content. Hopefully everyone will understand a little more and from there understand the Hmong people around the world. Thank you.